member? Okay. Let's continue our multi-color dragon method. So last time one member emailed me and he said he bought CSE Glover, and when he bought, because he saw that here the purple line upward across the pink line, so here he bought. But then went to sale, he saw the red and white circle. I don't know which stock. He just here at this point he bought. Then another day he sold. So he said missed a good chance because he bought here but cannot hold, cannot keep it. So before our class, let's review what we taught, what we learned. Okay. So we see this stock. We can see that this stock is very strong, right? So we see the pattern down, then sideways, right? Down. Last time I already taught you which pattern is good for us. Then here, down, then to sideways. We can see the high point, low point is lower, but high point is higher. So this is the bottom area. Down, then to sideways. So if the price can upward break through this sideways area is the good buy point. Then we can see this stock. Can you tell me which the point is the good buy point during this period? Which point is the good buy point? Okay, we see here. Last time I taught you one function. So here, the pink line upward across the green line, but we see this period. So we see here, upward cross, but we can see the pink line is flat, not it's go flat, nose up. Okay, then we see here, this point, the pink line upward across the green line. So here, buy or not? So how many positions? Okay, we see here, they have green color or not?
Yes.
Have the green color. So we should pay attention. Maybe we can keep 1/3 position, okay? So here, if we buy, the price is 0.57. Okay, then we still can hold. Maybe you buy here, then you cannot maybe you can sell here, maybe you still can hold. Then here is another buy point, right? But you think here is the high point. So maybe here you buy is the good buy point, right? But if you know this function, you should practice because you learned this method. I hope you can practice by yourself, okay? So we see so many stocks up. Okay, so we see here. Can you tell me this stock, which point is the good buy point? Here, buy or not?
No, buy.
But this is the low point. You buy or not? Don't buy, okay? Here, buy or not? Buy, okay? Definitely buy. Then you buy here. The price is 0.37. Now it's already 0.475. But now can buy or not? If you didn't have this share, now can buy or cannot? Why?
Because it's too high and it's already above 75.
Okay, some members said it's too high already. So how do you know that too high? Okay, so here you think high or not? Here you think too high or not? Maybe you think too high. Then if the price is like this, so you think this is not too high, right? Okay, so here why cannot and when can buy again? So this share have chance or not? So last time we learned if the multi-color dragon, the red clam is more than 75 or more than 50, you can keep for medium-term investment, okay? But if you never buy the shares, when is the good buy point? So today we will learn these shares, which point is good for us to buy, okay? So let's see the STI index. So we see here, during this day, this is the STI index. So we see here, okay, we see here, this is previous high point, right? Okay, then we see this day, the 21st, then we see here, the breakout or not. The price break out the previous high point, and we should compare with the volume. But the volume is increase or not? Not increase. Then we see another day, still above, right? Okay, here still above. So maybe you think now have chance, but we can see yesterday the price is down. So what's that meaning? Okay, we should know that where is the turning point. Last time master told us, right? Last time master told us where is the turning point. Then we can use this method to judge where is the turning point, okay? Then we also can use golden section to know where is the support and where is the resistance. So we see here, we connect this point, high point, to this low point. Then we see here, where is the support? So can you tell me where is the resistance? So we see here, touch the resistance or not? Just touch the resistance. So whether can break through or not, we don't know, right? We should see the next Monday. If can still break out, the next resistance point is where? Here is the next resistance point. But you should know, if we want to wait, the market is retracement. So where? Maybe here is the support and another support is here. So we should pay attention. We should follow the market, okay? Then we see some individual stocks. Every day we can try this method, okay? Every day we can click Singapore market and know right click percentage. Then we know that which share is the high percentage. Then we see this candlestick, no need to care, okay? We see, then we see which share is have the good pattern. So we see recently the share is small share, right? Then we still cannot see which share is the good point. Then we see this share, no need to care. So can you tell me which pattern? Here is which pattern? V, right? Here also V pattern. Then every day you can try this method. So let's continue the course. So firstly, we learn the filter method. Last time we already learned some filter method. I don't know whether you can remember or not. So can you tell me last time we learned which method we learned?
Acceleration.
Maybe you forgot already. Okay, last time we learned this method is about harmony rainbow, the light gathering. Can you still remember?
Yes.
So maybe last Saturday you learned this method, then after till this Saturday you forgot already. It's not good, okay? So firstly, let's learn the filter method about band operation. So this is the filter condition. So this is very simple, okay? So firstly, we click comprehensive, then click logical filter, click original indicator to MCD, then valid within 5 days, locked trips maximum, add, then valid with 1 day, locked trips more than and equal to 5, then click add. This is the condition, okay? Then we see it's very simple. This is the first condition, the second condition. So let's try, okay? Firstly we click technical, comprehensive, then click technical filter. Clear all first, then we click logical filter. We change the original indicator to MCD. Then the valid within 5 days. Logged trips maximum. Okay, clear, add. This is the first condition. The next condition is logged trips valid within 1 day. Then more than and equal to 5. Clear, add. So let's see here. The first one is logged trips maximum. The next one, logged trips more than and equal to 5. Okay, then let's try whether they have some shares or not. So last time we learned some method of filter method. Then this course we learned about MCD filter method. So maybe next time I will teach you the homely rainbow filter method or homely position filter method. Okay. So let's see these shares. Then you can tell me which point is the good buy point. Okay, so this share can buy or not? Why? We see the multicolored dragon, okay? So which one is the good buy point? So when you see which condition you can buy. Then if we see the pink line, golden cross the green line. So you can try 1/3 position, okay? So now golden cross or not? Not yet. We should wait and see. And we can see the pattern. The price is down. Then now it's sideways or downtrend or uptrend. Now it's sideways, right? Then when to buy? Firstly, we see whether golden cross or not. Secondly, we should see the price whether can break out this triangle pattern or not. Okay, then we see next one. This share can buy or not? No, okay, because we can see the pink line and the green line. The pink line is down, the green line is up, so cannot, okay? Then, which one is the good buy point? Maybe here is the resistance, okay? If can be supported here, maybe it's good buy point. This share no need to care. Okay, we see this share. This share is very interesting, right? Okay, we see here, down, then up, down, up. Okay, down here. Then we see this price. So can you tell me, now can buy or not? Cannot, okay? We just pay attention. Then down to sideways. And we should see whether the two lines golden cross or not. Not yet, we should wait and see, okay? Then we see next one. This share buy or not? Okay, we see this share. This share is up, then to sideways. Then we should know here. We see this share. So during this period, uptrend or downtrend? Obviously, this is uptrend, okay? Then we can see whether the next high point can create a new high or not. So create a new high or not? Not yet. So if you have this share, you should prepare to sell out, or you should keep whether the price downward break out this point. If downward breakout, maybe the support point is 0.415. So if downward this point, you should sell quickly, okay? Then we see next one. So this is the filter method. We filter so many shares, okay? Then we just wait. So you can use this method to filter some shares. After you filter the shares, you can click further, okay? So let's see this one. This method is suitable for most of stocks, especially for active stocks. So if you see the share is active, maybe it's better than others. Then the second one, we can further filter through hot sectors. So every day we will see which sector is the good sector. Then if the shares belongs to this sector, we should pay attention to this share, okay? Then the third one, add these shares into the favorite and catch good buy point, follow Harmony software. You can follow Monte Carlo Dragon, okay? So this is the method. Let's continue. Today we learned the tactics of Monte Carlo Dragon 7. We already learned 6, okay? The name is called Dragon Turning Over. Dragon Turning Over. So this strategy is used to determine whether the banker has completed fishing out weak players in the course of an uptrend. It also gives you another chance to add condition. So what's that meaning? Then we see here, this method is suitable for the shares belongs to the uptrend. Then we can see here, maybe the price up. So the share is belongs to the uptrend. So up then correction, up then correction. So we can find this point to buy. Okay, this is the good buy point. Then we see this one. This is the meaning we just learned. Okay, so many words. We no need to talk, and I will tell you from the chart, okay? This is the meaning. So it tells us that maybe you see this method, dragon turning over like this. Then after retracement, then the price go up again. It's for us to good buy point, okay? So we see this one, the market condition. Essentially, there's very little or no green candles, no green MCD. And we can see the yellow and red MCD. Red MCD decrease. It's replaced mainly by yellow MCD and very little green MCD. So what's that meaning? Okay, we see some stocks, then we can know better. Okay, so we see this one. We heard, I think is very strong. We heard this share, but now can buy or not? So can you tell me which point is the good buy point? Can you tell me? Here, buy or not? Buy or not? First the buy point, okay? So here, can buy or not? Buy, okay? Then you also can earn money, okay? So this share is uptrend or downtrend? Now it is uptrend. Okay, we see here, the pattern is like this. Down, then to sideways, right? Okay, so now can buy or cannot? We should see here. The Monte Carlo Dragon, the red Monte Carlo Dragon decrease, and we can see a little green MCD. So this we see another one. So like this. We see this share. Uptrend or downtrend? How to judge? Because higher high and the lower high, okay, and higher low. Okay, so we see here, during this period, they have red Monte Carlo Dragon decrease, right? Okay, and green MCD. Or maybe there's no green MCD. Okay, so we see here, Monte Carlo Dragon down, then this period is for retracement. So when can buy again? Okay, so I will tell you when can buy again. So we see here, this is the small multicolor dragon, right? Read multicolor dragon. So when combine again, here, when we see the green, the purple line inside the red column is the buy point. Okay, so here combine or not? Combine. Here also combine. Here also combine. Here also combine. Okay, because the share is in the uptrend, so we combine. So let's see this one. Which point we combine? So here, buy or not? This point, buy or not? Why? Okay, we should see. Firstly, the red MCD is almost 25 or more than 25, and the purple line inside the MCD, just inside. Okay, so here buy or not? But if we see this method, I think most of members will not buy, right? Because we see here, you think this is the high point. So maybe here is the resistance. So you think, if just touch the resistance, then down again. So I'm buy at high point. Then if you follow this method, you can buy, then you can earn money, okay? So maybe during this period, you never buy. Then we see here, okay, the red MCD decrease. It tells us that the share have retracement, right? So when can buy again? So here, buy or not? Here, if you never buy the share, here we buy or not? This point, we buy or not? Buy, okay? Don't hesitate. Okay, so you buy here, earn money or not? Earn money. Okay, so now here buy or not? Buy. Okay, then earn little money. Okay, so you should follow this method. Then we see next one. So we see this share. If you see the share is in the uptrend, then red MCD decrease. It tells us that we can catch opportunity. We can wait and see another buy point. Okay, so here we can buy. Here we also can buy again. Okay. So we see some stocks. Recently we see so many shares is very strong. Okay, then we see this share. This share is strong or not? Very strong, right? If you have this share, I think you will happy every day. Okay, then we see here. So during this period, we know that here buy or not? Here buy or not? Okay, so we should know can buy or cannot. Then we see this point. Here buy or not? So we are hesitate. We don't know whether can buy or not. Then we see the purple line. The purple line is up or not? Up or not? Flat. You can buy. I think if you see the purple line is up, it's the good buy point. But if you see the purple line is flat, you should wait 1 or 2 days. Okay, then still wait. Then here buy or not? Still flat. So here buy or not? Okay, then if you buy, you can earn money or not? So here buy or not? If you never buy this point, so here we buy or not? buy, okay? Then if you buy, you also can earn money because you buy at this point 0.49. Now it's already 0.555. So we see here. Last time I taught you one method to judge whether the bank money gets away or not. So we see here. We can see yesterday the price is down. Then we can see the volume is decreased, right? So it tells us that maybe this is the retracement, okay? Then if you do short-term investment, you can get away, okay? Then if you do medium long-term, we can see the red multicolored dragon still above 50, so you still can keep, okay? So let's continue the notes. In a medium-term retracement, red MCD is below 50%. Red MCD breaking up purple line signals the end of a medium-term retracement. In a short-term retracement, red MCD is above 50% or 75%. Red MCD breaking up purple line signals at the end of a short-term retracement. So it's like this. So we see here. We can see here. Then we see the purple line is above the red clamp. So it tells us that this is the short-term retracement. So here also the short-term retracement. Here short-term retracement. So we should, if we see the share belongs to the short-term retracement, we should pay attention and wait and see. Okay. Then we see here short-term retracement because the purple line above the red clamp. Then we should wait until up again is the goodbye point. Then we see another one. For an uptrend to stay intact, it's preferable that purple line doesn't follow below 50% or form a dead cross with pink line. So we should pay attention. If you see like this, we see here the purple line dead cross the pink line. So it tells us that we should wait and see. We should pay attention to the risk. Then we see this one. Green MCD. Take note that the appearance and the increase of green MCD are signs that the uptrend is coming to an end. So we see this point. We see here the purple line dead close the pink line, and the green color appears. So it tells us that we should sell out because this trend comes to an end. Okay. Then we see this share. So we can see this share. So maybe some days ago you bought this share. Okay. Then we see this share. Up, then sideways, right? This is up or not? Up. So we see here, up, then sideways. So we can see the high point is higher, but low point is lower. So it tells us that the share is up, then to sideways. Then we should pay attention. Okay. So we see here. Okay. So we see this point. The purple line that close the pink line. So it and the green color appears. So it tells us that the trend will end. Then if we sell, we can avoid some risk, right? Okay. So here sell or not? I don't know. I don't know whether you can remember or not. So the first class we talked about the sell point. So here we sell or not? If you never sell here, sell or not? Sell. Why? You should know the reason, right? Okay. We see here the green line upward across the pink line is the sell point. So here we must sell. Okay. So this is the. We should pay attention. Then we see some shares. Last time, one member asked me, let's see CSE Global. So now is the uptrend. Now we still can hold. Then we see another one.
Now can buy or not?
So now can buy or not? When can buy? When you see the purple line up and up again, and below the red cap is another buy point, okay? Because you should buy at the right point, okay? So if you buy here, maybe tomorrow retracement, so you missed a good chance, okay? So I think buy at right point is better for us, because you buy right, then you will sell right, okay? If you buy wrong, you will sell wrong. Then we see another one. We can see some active shares. Okay, we see this one is the new share. Monster. Okay, we see another one. SISC, we see this share. Their share is down. Now the share is sideways right because low point and high point. So sideways or not? Triangle pattern. Then we can see this day the big volume, the high volume. What's that meaning? Because this is the gap. So big volume, maybe some investors get in, or maybe some bankers get in, we don't know. And if we want to buy, which point is the good buy point? Here we can buy